Love anime but worried about sketchy websites? Let's dive into how to enjoy Zoro.to responsibly, keeping your devices and data safe while you catch up on your favorite shows. Step 1. Arm yourself with a robust ad blocker. Install a reputable ad blocker extension like Public Origin or AdBlock Plus for your browser. This will significantly reduce the number of potentially harmful ads you encounter on Zoro.to. Step 2. Be super cautious of the links you click. Avoid clicking on any links that look even slightly suspicious. Phishing scams are common, so if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check the URL before clicking. Step 3. Understand the risks. Unofficial streaming sites like Zoro.to often host content without proper licensing, which can lead to legal issues down the line, and more immediately, expose you to malware or viruses. Step 4. Consider using a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and masks your IP address, adding an extra layer of protection. While not essential, it can enhance your privacy and security. Ultimately, staying safe on Zoro.to or any similar site means being vigilant and proactive. Use an ad blocker, avoid dodgy links, understand the risks and consider a VPN. Now you can enjoy your anime responsibly.